In this video, I'm going to show you how to access demo games in Epic Games quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to try a game before you buy it, Epic Games makes that simple with its top demo section, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it. This is a great way to discover new games, test them out, and see what you enjoy without making a purchase right away. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once the launcher loads, you'll land on the main page where you can browse featured games, store deals, and recommendations. From here, the key is to scroll down. Keep moving toward the bottom of the page until you spot the section called Top Demos. This is where Epic Games groups together the available demo versions of different games. When you find Top Demos, look right next to it for the small arrow. Click that arrow to expand the section and reveal more options. This step is important because it opens up the full list of demos that Epic Games is currently offering. Once the list appears, you can browse through the available games and choose whichever one interests you most. After that, click on any game you want to try. On the game page, look for the Get button and select it. This will add the demo to your library so you can download and play it. In most cases, it works just like claiming a free item in the Epic Games Store, so it only takes a moment to complete. Once the demo is added, you can install it and launch it from your library whenever you're ready. This is one of the easiest ways to explore new games on Epic Games without spending money up front. It's especially useful if you want to check out gameplay, controls, or performance before deciding whether to buy the full version. And that's it. You now know how to access demo games in Epic Games and claim them in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.